What if I told you that one of these SUVs could save you thousands of dollars every year, while the other might actually be the smarter long-term choice? The Tesla Model Y and the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid are two of America's most searched SUVs right now. But which one is really worth your money in 2026? The answer might surprise you. Let's find out. Both SUVs are incredibly popular, but they're built for different drivers. The Tesla Model Y is a fully electric SUV packed with cutting-edge technology and incredible acceleration. The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid combines excellent fuel economy with Toyota's legendary reliability. So, which one should you buy? Let's compare them. When it comes to performance, the Tesla Model Y clearly takes the lead. It can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 5 seconds, delivering instant electric power that feels incredibly smooth. The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid isn't slow, but it's designed for efficiency rather than speed. If you love quick acceleration, Tesla wins this round. Now let's talk about your wallet. Charging a Tesla at home is usually much cheaper than filling up a gas tank. But here's the catch. If you don't have easy access to charging, the RAV4 Hybrid becomes much more convenient because you can refuel almost anywhere in just a few minutes. So the better choice depends on where you live and how you drive. Tesla offers one of the most advanced infotainment systems on the market. You get a huge touchscreen, over-the-air software updates, and advanced driver assistance features. Toyota focuses on simplicity and reliability with physical controls, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a user-friendly system. Tesla feels futuristic. Toyota feels familiar. This is where things get interesting. Toyota has built its reputation over decades for producing dependable vehicles with low maintenance costs. Tesla continues to improve every year, but some buyers still prefer Toyota's proven reliability. If keeping your SUV for 10 years is your plan, this could be an important factor. So which SUV should you choose? If you want incredible technology, instant acceleration, and an all-electric driving experience, the Tesla Model Y is hard to beat. But if you want excellent fuel economy, dependable reliability, and worry-free ownership, the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid is one of the smartest SUVs you can buy. Now, here's my question for you. Which one would you choose? The futuristic Tesla Model Y or the reliable Toyota RAV4 Hybrid? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more car comparisons every week.